Today we're going to look at how to use aiken formatting to turn old questions, test questions, into easily uploadable questions to your quiz section or test section in Moodle. The first thing you're going to have to do is find the old test or quiz that you want to upload to Moodle. So I open up my Word document, and there are my quiz questions. I'm going to go ahead and delete the title. And then what I have to do is I have to resave this document. So go to File, Save As, and then I'm going to choose the location to save it. Now personally I have a folder on my desktop with all my aiken formatted questions. So I'm going to rename it, and then underneath Format I'm going to choose the formatting I want it to go into, which is plain text. It'll be the .txt. So I'm going to click on my plain text, hit save. It's going to ask me questions about saving. Just go ahead and hit OK. It'll save what it needs to save. Then I'm actually going to X out of this Word document. Now I'm going to go into my aiken folder and I'm going to open this question, or I'm going to open this document, and you'll see that it opens up like this, just a plain text format. Now all my questions are there. Now, in order for Moodle to recognize my answers, I type answer at the bottom of each question in all caps. I put a colon, and then I put the answer. Now, I find it's easier to copy and paste the word answer underneath each question. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And as you can see, each question is going to say answer. Now, next to answer, I'm going to put the correct answer, the correct letter to the correct answer, also in capital letters. And I'm also going to remove special characters such as apostrophes and quotation marks. When you upload your questions with apostrophes and quotation marks, Moodle will not recognize it. When I've completed putting my correct answers in, I pull my Moodle back up, and I scroll down to the settings section, and underneath quiz administration you see question bank. If you click on question bank, that's going to pull you up to all your questions that you've already added. But to import questions, you go back to settings, quiz administration, question bank, and then below question bank you see import. Click on import. It'll prompt you to your import questions from file screen. Click on aiken formatting. Choose what section you'd like to put your questions. I'm going to do Unit 3 Personal Finance. Then I'm going to click Choose from File. Click Upload a File, and I'm going to browse for my file. And I'm just going to, I know it's located in my desktop in my aiken folder, so I'm going to find it in my unit that I want to upload. Going to open it. I'm going to hit Upload this file. Then I'm going to hit Import. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see that it's actually my import's been interrupted because I had some kind of special character that interrupted my import, my aiken formatting. That's why it says error writing to database. So the first thing I'm going to do is delete the questions I've just imported so I don't have doubles of the questions. So I'm going to scroll back down to my question bank and click on questions, and it'll bring up the questions I just imported. I'm going to click on the box above the questions. I'm going to hit delete. It's going to ask me if I'm absolutely sure I want to delete these. I'm going to say yes, and then I'm going to delete them. Now I need to go back to my questions in text format and figure out where my error was. So I'm going to scroll down to the question that I'm looking for, the question where it says it stopped. And you'll see that I have left in an apostrophe, and that is what interrupted my uploading. So I'm going to delete that apostrophe, pull my Moodle back up, and I'm going to try the process over again. Go to Quiz Administration, Questions, Import, click on Aiken Format again, scroll down, make sure I'm importing to the right file, hit Import, browse for my file. Again, it's going to come straight up to my aiken formatting because I've already tried to upload it once. Find my file of questions that I'm going to import. Click on it, hit open, hit upload this file, hit import, and if I import it successfully I can scroll down. There's no error, so I'm going to hit continue, and these are all the questions that I've just imported. Now it's super easy to add these to my quiz. All I need to do is go to Edit Quiz. Again, it's underneath Quiz Administration, Edit Quiz. So I have Editing Quiz, Personal Finance, and on the left-hand side I select my category I just uploaded into, and it's going to bring up all the questions I just imported. If I want to edit the question, I can click on the Edit button still. If there's an error that I saw that I didn't like, I'm going to go in here and erase this number. Hit Save Changes. And I can look at the question still to check it. Alright, and if I want to add it to the quiz, I just click on the little white box next to the question. When I've clicked on all the questions I want to add, I'm going to hit Add to Quiz. I'm going to hit Save at the top of the page, and voila, I'm done.